Om Shri Sai Ram. Dear students, today our topic is banking transactions. When you are going thoroughly about the banking transactions, you need to know what is the transactions and what is the banking and everything. Now, suppose when you are went back what you have already studied about the basic definitions for the business, always we are concentrating upon exchanging. How much money you are having with the money what you are getting, or from barter system, what you are telling that based upon your need or requirement, exchanging process are happening between the two. So now here two products or commodities you are going to exchange. Now one of the products replacing with the money. Nowadays if you talk about the word money itself, people feel so much value. Money means they are giving another meaning of from dictionary, so much value, which we are giving value. Actually there is no value, only you are valuable, not money. But as a part of lesson I have to give some value and talk about the money. And here if you talk about this money, for now for example, if you want to purchase something, you have 10 rupees and the product value is 12 or 13, like that. Means what? How much product cost, you do not have sufficient money to get the product. One case. And another case I am telling, when you want to purchase that particular product, you have 20 rupees but the cost is 13 rupees, 7 rupees remains with you. So these two cases, when you are looking into these two cases, what you have understood? In one case you do not have sufficient money, in another case you have excess money. Now I use this word when you are often visiting and often you get to know about the things in the village scenario or in town or in movies. Most probably you get to know well when I am going with the movie example. And in the movie also some incidents are there, one person given money to the another one, they have deceived him. Or in one more case, you believed somebody or you have a faith on someone, you have a given money, they given back with the more interests. So observe all these examples. So what you are understanding now, your exchanging process are happening. How much guarantee is there to return? That is the main concept. And you do not have money at all and you are depending upon which reliable source, which source you are depending, then banking has come. When you are talking about this banking, I will give one example about the person. When the person will come, he will give you money. And what is the use when person gives you money to you? Now in the banking word I am talking. The person given you money to you, then you have to give back the money. If you give same money, what is the importance of this transaction? No, you are adding some value to that money and giving back, which we are calling interest. So when you are getting money after your usage, limited or one span of time, or you can tell a stipulated time according to the records, and you are having a one promissory note or something, after that you are getting the more value, added up value, 5%, 3% interest, then 1%. Now in all these examples what you have understood, one time you do not have a money, one time you are having a excess money, and one time you want some safety for that. This is the transaction areas the word banking will come. A faith in the people, trusting you, and they are what they feel so much value, they are investing, or the proper word here, deposit. The money which they are putting in your custody means within giving to you, that is called deposit. And they are giving to money, two reasons. One is excess money they are having, based on their needs they have money, and remaining money they are giving. Or this is the primary concept. When they are having excess money, they are giving to you. That is the primary need. And one more thing, always business reminds you what that when need is there, you convert that as a desire. Then only you will be profitable. So this is the need. The people are giving money, excess money. How you convert as a desire? Add more value to their money. This is the deposit concept. In the deposit concept, you are introducing various concepts to there. In the you are saying that if you invest this money, deposit this money for 1 year, this is the interest 3%, or 2 years more than interest 4%, or it is called fixed deposit 5 years, this is called another more value. In the means you are giving attractive schemes to attract the people to be a customer to you. In this process, the bank would come and the people are finding you to deposit the money, and after some time whenever they are required, they will get back the money. It is like a transaction, it is happening between you, means bank and customer. So in this process, the bank whenever the customer required, they are giving back, and banks also giving in a loans. In the example only we happen to mention, when the people are do not have sufficient money to purchase the product, then they will come for a reliable source, searching for the reliable source. Then they find that they will get the money. Now these are the operations, and it is very sure in your nation, if you have an efficient banking system, then your nation will be a greatest nation, a greater nation. How come we are saying this? Because of efficient banking system, in the sense money flow is there. Money flow in the sense, if you are going for the construction, if you are going for the tourism development, or your individual wealth only, and everything prosperous, the company or one nation is the prosperous in the sense efficient banking system is there. So whenever you want money, money is available. See, that is the second one, when they are paying with interest, without interest, agreed terms and conditions. But the banking system is very important to the nation, the greatest nation. So if you see, this bank is called, it's for the main purpose of exchanging. These are the two words. The bank is derived from Italian word banco, or from a French word banque. The meaning is same. When you are pronouncing differently or spell also differently, but the meaning is bench. Bench, if you see that why we are using that bench now, it is a platform to exchange something. It is a platform where you are coming with some attractive features, where I am needed to deposit or wanted to get the money from as a loan. So this is the one common platform. That platform is called bank. This is a common exchange place, so called bench. Now what is called a banking company may be defined. Why we are telling that banking is a company? Whenever you are talking about the company, a group of people working together for profit oriented. Are you thinking banks are working to give a money and take the money from the people without profit? Tremendous profits are there when you are going with innovative method. Why? The people wanted safety, people having an access money, what will happen? They won't sleep properly. So they will find a proper place to deposit, save their money or wealth. So you are giving a protection to the people. With protection, with what terms and conditions? See, these many years, longer period, short term or middle term, we are having the schemes, various schemes. How much long we have to save your money or protect your money? I will say 5 years, so this is the interest for 5 years. You will get back. See, in this period, what they will do? They will invest in some other areas. They know what are the profitable area, and they will do business or collaborate with some companies. With that money, what interest they have offered to you, more than that they will get an interest. Then what is happening? Every rupee they are getting some more than that. So this is the call. If there is a no profit, this banking system do not exist. So company, I am using the word, this company is one process area which they are taking something from you to get something. So that is the reason they will accept as a deposits. It is like a input. I am talking about the company. See like this. I will just given a, for your understanding. I will say this input. What is the input? Accepting money from you. What you are giving, putting in is called input. So you are accepting money from the public or some others who are interested into. Then what will happen? Process is happening. What is the process? The process is called, they are thinking about how to use this input efficiently. 2 rupees I have taken from the public. I promised him end of the period I will get plus 2. I will give plus 2 means 4. I am giving back 4 rupees to the person. I am giving back 4 rupees to the person. Is it valuable to me? Unless you are storing, keeping that the 2 rupees only within your custody, again you are putting more than plus 2, means it is lost now. That means you are thinking about get 6 or more or plus added. Then in that something you are giving, then what is happening output? Customer is satisfied, you are also satisfied, you are remained with profit. So this is process is taking place in particular order, in one order, input, processing order. That is the call, only reason we are calling that as a company. And if you see this, whenever you are talking about this bank, mainly if you talk about the characteristics of banks, this is very important. What are the characteristics? How the bank defined? Now characteristics, and when you are talking about any one particular person, any person, what is happening? See what is his character, good character or bad character. How you decide his character is good or bad? Based upon the doing the things. How he is doing the things, his nature. How he is behaving in front of others. Bad? You are simply saying that bad character. Just one word now, you use that. So like that, what this bank is doing, how I can say this is the bank. See all this they are doing, so this is the nature of the bank, that is why this is the characteristics of the banks. When you are talking about the characteristics, it is a dealing with money. I say product, product is money. I say profit, profit is involving in money. What is the meaning of profit? I am investing this much, I am getting more than that. That is the profit. Every area, every aspect they will dealing with the money. Deposit, people come with the money. Loans, people asking money. And interest rate, dealing with the more and more money. And insurance schemes, talking about money and for your safety, and after maturity period you are getting something. Employee salaries, money, every area, every aspect. The bank main purpose is talking about money alone. And if you talk about individual firm or company, I just given an example and definition also for the company. The company we calling that they are like a maintaining people as a input source, taking money as a input source, and using people, money, missions, machinery in the sense using desktops or laptops to process something. And these are the things they are using, producing the output, also called money. So that is the call individual. If you are giving in a loans, people are interested from taking money from you because you are properly paying by that time, on time, are properly giving without cheating them. So individual, it is not one time I have a money, you came to me and I have given. It is a one time transaction. I do not call. That is the person considered under a bank. All the time, if you need a money, you are guiding somebody or telling somebody to get money from him, then it is called individual. Firm and company both are same words. It is called firm or company. A little more extent it is called organization and everything. Acceptancy of deposits, this is the main source. This is the main source for the bank is called accepting deposits. How? Now if you go to deposits, we are keep repeating the word of deposit. This is the main source for the bank. Bank is giving loans where they got money. Bank is investing in some other areas. It is helping helping government where they got money. Banking is investing or producing some products behalf of some company where they got money. This is the main source. How many people are attracted by your schemes or something? That is a source for that. Take an example, a live example, what they have done, Jan Dhan Yojana. Pradhan Mantri, Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji invited all the people, deposit your money in that. Why they deposit? See, that means you are collecting money from the various sources. If you have a money, then you have an idea about the investing and something. So 0%, that is the drawback in the banks. Why is that? Zero balance account. So whenever you do not maintain that zero balance, they are simply deducting money whenever you are putting money in that bank account. So this is the drawback. The what is the calling now? See, Jan Dhan Yojana, one scheme is there, invest money in that zero balance account, and everything you are clear about your scheme. Then people started as a deposits. When the money is coming to you, a need of the company you are going to satisfy. When need of company you are satisfying, you are getting profit. That means you are benefited and the people who invested, they are also benefited. This is like attracting them. So the main source is called deposit. And lending loans. Lending loans in the sense that is very nature is giving loans. When the people coming to you for a need, you are increasing more interest. For example, deposit interest. Now one person A came to me and deposited money, 30 rupees or something. Now in the deposit, what I said, I will give you 2% interest. Okay, this is the only one source I am talking. Not about 1000 people or 1 lakh people, one person. 30 rupees invested, deposited. In the 30 rupees I said 2% interest. This over. Now the 30 rupees needed by some other company, 30 rupees needed. It is called shares. Each share value is 10 rupees. Now I believed, according to my thinking or knowledge, because we have been continuing in the business areas, that is a product will be demand in the market. So what happened? This 30 rupees I am investing somewhere. Now company is taking as a one source, or the same company asking 30 rupees as a loan. Then what you have promised to the customer? 2%. Now you are giving a loan. What is happening? 5% or 6%, or based upon the demand you are increasing percentages 10 or 12 something. Then what happened? Through the lending the loans, you are getting more money and you are remaining with, after you given back the money, you are remaining with some profits. And also payment and withdrawal. And the person is coming who have deposited already, who has already deposited within a bank, and he needed money. There is an option of withdrawal, taking your money. How much? If you want full, take. Some conditions will be there. You follow that. So this is, it is like a very easy to access. Whenever you want to deposit. When you need money, take back. That is called withdrawal. And payment. And nowadays, if you observe, if you go to the Amazon site or something, you are paying money. They will ask through which bank you are paying. That means what? You are not going directly to the company and paying the money. You are using medium, the bank as a medium in between. That is called you are doing payment to the bank. And this is also called agency. Between the customer and the company, the bank is acting. Utility services in the sense not only deposits and giving a loans to the people, some more services they are doing. You are having some gold or something, it is called lockers are there, and you are having some other facility, wanted to get an information about that KYC, they will provide the information. And also so many utility services, they are behalf of the government, or they are investing something in the government areas, and also they are taking upon CSR, corporate social responsibility, they are helping. And all these things they are providing. And the best example, if you see rural banks, APGVB or some Karnataka bank, some banks will be there. Those are the primary motto of the banks are helping the farmers. If the helping the farmers is not doing business, because of that farmer, agriculture itself is a tussle task, means you do not expect more profit from the agriculture field. In that field, what happen? Banking main thing is do service to the farmers. In that they will put the schemes under a few, means lower deposit rates, lower interest rates. When they are giving loans, lower interest rates. Then those banks supported by many private banks, SBI, so many banks will support some banks. These are utility services. They are providing not than their main concept. This is not a main concept. If they do not do also, no problem, but in the point of the customer, in point of the public and government, they are doing that. And profit and service orientation, as obviously they are running and they are wanted more and more profit. And service orientation, it is called service. What is product business? What is called production? Whenever you are giving in a product to somebody, you are ordering something, you are getting product. In the product only, mobile only good example for that. You purchased one mobile. Product. This is called business in product oriented. After some time, that mobile got repaired. Means some problem is there, you have to go for the repair. The same company, Samsung or Sony, are providing to you some service. This is called intangible. The service in the call, the transactions are happening is like sometimes you are directly getting money or you are directly intangible process. You says that in the computer only 3000 transferred. Where is the hard cash? It is service oriented. It is always encouraging the service orientation. And another word you can say is that is helping the people in some areas. And ever increasing functions. In the bank, if you do not increase the functions, so these are the limited functions I am having, you are not in the competition. So always you think about the more and more, because of this market is competitive market. You want to stay, always you are going with the increasing the functions in the different interest rates in the loans, attractive rates, interest rate for the deposits, and giving some insurance offers and employee salaries, investing PF or something. All these are increasing functions every time. Connecting link, this is acting as a agency, and all the time they are there for the public. So whenever banking is a business, when you say that a banking is a company, it is all surely business. And name identity, in the sense, now I am talking about only bank. When I talk about only bank, how you can recognize one particular bank? 10 banks are there. Which bank you are going to choose? Anything is bank only. Now it is like you are calling a person as a man. In group of 10 members, if you call man, all will respond for that. Like that, in 10 banks are there. So different interest rates they are giving. How you can choose that? With the name identity. SBI is announcing these are the interest rate for the people. ICICI Bank is calling for these interest rates. Canara Bank is calling for these interest rates. Now you have an option, Canara or ICICI or SBI. Now you are going because of name identity. These are the characteristics. When we are moving towards functions of banks. Now we say, what is that? So now I no need to mention that about the bank word. I will say that something which is accepting the deposits. I told one of the characteristics. Immediately you remember, yes, the accepting the deposits is called banking. When one of the characteristics again I am saying, one is interested in lending loans and providing utility services. Yes, you remember, yes, this is bank. This is characteristics. When I am telling without mentioning the heading, I will tell characteristics, you remember that is the bank. This is our part. Now we are entering into the functions, what they are doing. What is the functions of human body? You will tell 100 things. Heart is there functioning, blood pumping, mind is there functioning, thinking. Like that the bank is there to do something. What all are there? See, accepting deposits from public and others. Not only persons. if you companies are there, some companies, they are maintaining current accounts. So different types of accounts are there, saving accounts, current accounts. Mostly these current accounts are using by the companies, higher interest rates, because they needed money. Hardly they needed money immediately. Then immediately means you are having a bigger opportunity, means higher interest rates. You will go with the higher interest rates because of needed. So the bank is accepting from the public, finding the source, and others may call if companies or firms, big organizations, and lending money to the public or institutions. Yes, you are giving to the farmers, you are giving to the employees for house loans and everything to the public, and other institutions. Banks are helping to the other banks, and bank is giving in a loan to the one company because they are have maintaining salaries account or something they are maintaining. So institutions, the educational institutions or some private industries or whatever, if they are faith, if they are proper terms and conditions, they will get a loans. And transferring money from one place to another. Best example, you are also going through Phone Pay and Google Pay, and your person, your friend or somebody needed a money. What you have to do? You are just transferring on fingertips. How it is going on? You no need to go there and giving. That is also word is called remittance. Transferring money from one place to another place without going there, using the technology in the banks. Collecting money on checks, drafts and bills. And you see, one by one I will go in this. When you are accepting something as a deposit, you are depositing money. You know that after already we have done this. And accepting, giving in a loans to the institutions and others. Sending a money, various sources. Directly giving a cash means you transfer the money and requesting them to collect the money from there. Or bank draft, DD best example. When you are going to join in a college or something, they will ask DD. Through the DD means you are not giving check directly, cash directly, you are using DD, replacing cash. And your global transfer, your friend Nigeria or America somewhere, you are going to do transfer that. And credit card or debit card, your father or mother having that credit cards or debit. Whenever you want a money from the ATM, using debit card. When you go for the shopping and you are doing all the things which is not enough or not sufficient money, then you are using credit card. Pay, debit card in the sense, pay now, use now. Means you are having already money, use now. Credit card in the sense, use now, pay later. In the sense, you do not have sufficient money, no problem. Some extent is there. Till then you can reach. After that it is considered as a loan, you pay with the interest rates. Like that. All these things what? Replacing cash, no need to go that particular place. This is the called checks and drafts. See, if you go to the college or some institutions, they will mostly ask. Check in the sense there is a date will be there. First you are putting today date, you some says 4/6/2020. This is very important. Why date is important? Now assume that our check validity for 3 months. Now this is the check I am issuing at the June month. You wanted money with this check or from this check at the end of the year, December or something. What is the thing? Invalid check. So that is the way reason date is very important in the check. And you are saying that this is the column for pay to whom. Who means you are calling him some nicknames. That is not important. What is the name? I call that Ramana is the one name, or Ramu. To the Ramu. This name appeared in his bank account like this Ramu only. If you see is my best friend, I want to write his best nickname, not acceptable. So Ramu is his account name, that is. Now here you are mentioning that 20,000 I want to transfer, 20,000 rupees. So money, that money in the words you are writing, because of all the time this zeros also will confuse. In the words you have to mention clearly 20,000 rupees. So this is the proper procedure. Then somewhere here your has to sign. some Ranga or something, your name. Now you have signed. This is signature. When you are submitting documents to the bank, this is the signature, the same signature you want to use. Now I have changed the signature. I realized that this is the nice signature, please accept. Then change the documents again. So this is the proper signature. This is called valid check. So this check is replacing the money, cash, huge money. If you want to give 20,000 rupees, what? If you have 2,000 rupees notes, then you have to find 10 notes. This is one slip is enough carrying 20,000 rupees. So this is called check. When you coming to the drafts, what is the draft? So in the draft, the same procedure you are following in the name of so and so. We are issuing that DD number and everything. So here if you go to that, directly credited to the or directly go to their account. DD, what is the difference between check and DD? And the check you are mentioning directly the person name or something, they are eligible to take a cash, withdraw cash. In the DD you are mentioning the institute name and all the proper terms and conditions, and you are giving to the particular person in the name of this. This is directly go to their bank account. Means which account you have mentioned here. That account the money will go. Here which person you are mentioning that. Directly they are eligible to take the money or they are transferring the money. Here there is only one option, account to account. Here the option is account to account or account to person directly given a hard cash. This is the things in the difference between the DD, demand draft and check. When they mentioned about the bills also, bank involving in the paying bills also, see the bill also how it is like. This is the proper bill when bank is involved with that. So to means you are writing that the which person in the name, that person name will come from shipper. Like whenever you purchase any product, you observe all these things. This is one sample. You observe who purchased, paid is there, what is the product, then description is there, and also the product cost is there. Then you are decided to about the transaction. Now if you see this discounting of bills, this also bank will do. When you use this discounting in the bills, this is not about when bank involved your rate is reduced, product rate is reduced, not like that. The timeline, when I wanted to purchase one product from one company, now assume that company offering product for 10,000 rupees. Now I wanted to go with the EMI, equity monthly installment or equal monthly installment. This 10,000 I saying that I will pay 4 plus 4 plus 2, or assume that every month is 3, 1 month you are paying that 4, 1 month you are paying 4, 2 months 3. These are the options you are providing to the company. Why the company will accept? Then who are you? That is the question. Now this bank will pay behalf of you 10,000 rupees. You will pay to the bank as an installment. Then what is happening? Immediate your need satisfied, your desire satisfied by the bank. The timeline, you are paying like this, after 3 months I will give product, because of the paying money you are taking more than 3 months. If a bank involved within a day, 1 day, the 1 day is called the discounting the bill, reduced the timeline. So the bank is involving behalf of you, acceptor become a bank. Then banking transactions will be there. After they are providing a maturity period. You have to pay within the time, otherwise interest will increase. So in this case we are using bank as a discounting of a bills. And next is hiring a safe deposit lockers. When you are wanted to save your gold or some documents and something, you need a locker. Why you need a locker? You are feeling that your home is not safe and you are putting in the locker. Remember we just now discussed that utility services. This is considered under the utility service. When you use that lockers, they are having a 2 keys. One is the master key, another one is with the manager, and with you also key is there. 2 keys has to be fitted. And this deposit locker, whenever you are putting, this means you have to hide this locker 007. This is the locker, how much time you are putting in that, protecting the asset in the locker, you have to pay. This is the one more services doing by the bank. And also when you are going with the Indian currency to other country, is it valid? Banks will help. What they will do? Foreign exchange method. Now if you some saying that I want dollar. Now what is the dollar rate in the market? 70 rupees or 80 rupees. Pay 80 rupees, get $1. It is bank is helping you in the function of foreign exchange. And also these are the points you just understand by the word lines only. Keeping valuable in safe custody. Lockers you will apply here. Because these points you get to know, repeated points also it is looking like. Issuing letter of credit. See, I used that example in discounting bills. What I said, whenever you wanted some convenient method of paying, the bank will ask the question, who are you? Bank is an industry or bank is a company or firm already established in the market. Let us assume your bank is SBI, that means very popular bank. Now you do not have any money to purchase something. Now SBI say, yes, this is the person name XYZ, he is the customer from so long time, you can give a good. Means the bank is acting as an agency or in between as a medium to give an assurance this person is genuine. That is called letter of credit. They will issue one letter about the customer. You can believe him, give again. Who is the responsibility if we do something, cheating or something? SBI is the responsibility. So this is the one of the function, they are giving a guarantee through issuing a letter of credit. And conducting government transactions. Simple example, if you go for the electricity bills, so that they will use genuine channel through SBI you pay. So government organizations are there, they wanted to pay salaries to their people, they will use the banks. So these are the persons they will use or they will help say state or central. Some immediately some crisis had happened, government wanted to help the people, they will use the banks. And some natural calamities happened, they wanted to give the money using the banks. All these are the functions. Relationship between bankers and customers. Who is the customer? The customer is who is depositing the money or lending, getting money from the bank as a loan. Now what is the, now two words you are listening, banks and customers. So what is the relationship between them? See, this is very important topic in the business areas. When you consider as a business, a relationship building between the customer and the firm. How, why? Now you are producing something or offering some services, who are purchasing or who are interested in that, you get them as a your group. It is called target marketing. In the group of people benefiting or getting your services with satisfied manner, then you are in the safer zone. So in this concept we are discussing bankers and customer relationship, how it should be. Now in the two areas we can define, one is the general relationship, another one is a special relationship. General in the sense just casual, or it is a common for all the banks which are maintaining. Special, some extent you are doing, and specially in the sense it is unique way or unique methods. Now you observe this here in under the general relationship, primary relationship. Here I say debtor and creditor. And debtor and creditor in the sense the relationship is like that, I wanted money, you are giving, or you want money, I am giving. The two words are there for that, deposit and loan. So instead of that we are using the relationship called debtor and creditor. If you need money, I become giving a money to you, I become source for you. If I need money, the customer become a source for the bank. That is that relationship you are maintaining. And subsidiary relationship in the sense here you are trustee and beneficiary. And what will happen in the trustee and beneficiary? Bank is the trustee, which is having an administrative power and which is know more and more sources to increase your routes, ways to get more and more money, because you are called beneficiary. Always your bank is called trustee because they will show the path. Now I depositing money, 20 lakhs or 30 lakhs I am having, a huge money. Instead of you are putting under fixed deposit, I will give an idea. You are trustworthy person. Trustee in the sense he is the manager or one person having all authorities. You are the customer. I act as a trustee for you because more benefits you will get out of that. So you are the beneficiary. You will enjoy the fruits. So now trustee, I am guiding you and also I am telling you, I am talking about only your welfare. So this relationship is called trustee and beneficiary relationship. This is the general. This is the common tasks in all the banks. They will talk. Why debtor and creditor? This is the primary function going between the customer and bank. Trustee and beneficiary, if you given a more schemes, more attractive schemes, they will come and maintain. Now the agent and principalship. Agent and principalship, you want something, you are not directly getting, then banks become an agent. And the principal in the sense, sometimes you are the boss for the bank. Boss for the bank in the sense, you are having a more and more money. You are maintaining one company. Then what is happening? Bank will help you. Now they will ask what you needed and how come we are better way we can serve you. This is like agent and relationship. Through the bank sometimes you will get and you become a principal. Means you are getting something through the bank as per your demand. This is relationship called agent and principal. And these are the things. Or agent and principal, you can say this also. Through the banks, this is the banks I am suggesting, this bank, our every transaction go through this. So one company decided that all the salaries we are paying through the SBI or all the salaries we are paying through the HDFC. So if you want to join my company, you have to go through this bank. Now this become an agent. Now you are getting the benefits and you are telling that we need a money with this smaller interest. No, I am giving that 15 or 20 percentage. No, we are the daily customer. You are commanding or ordering. You become a principal. So this is the relationship called agent and principal. Now the special relationship activity. In this what is happening? Obligation to honor checks. Now you are issuing the checks. In the previous example I have given, I wrote one name, Ramu, Rangarao or something. Now what banks has to do, they have to check who has signed on the check. Now my sign as a one organization manager, company get to know. They are the main responsibility is, maybe in some cases they have found the blank check somewhere and wanted to use in another way. They are giving a more attention to the signature, the process and cross checking with the manager. This is relationship maintaining. In this they are very particular. We are obligation to honor your checks. Your check is very important for us. We are not considering as a one slip or one paper. We are giving more importance. And obligation to maintain secrecy of accounts. And here what is happening? Now I am not giving your data. Somebody came and asked how much money is there in his account. Can I tell? Then what will happen? The relationship will be broken. Then what is happening that how much money you are maintaining with me, that is between you and me, nobody others. If you do not maintain that secrecy, what will happen? They lose your faith. And one more point I wanted to add, to honor the checks, and it is very important when you are observing the check is like that, just going with some diagram, and if you observe they are crossing like the two lines. When the two lines appearing here, it is crossed check, conscious about that. What name I have mentioned, to that particular person only you should give, not others. Or what account I wanted you to remit that particular money to that particular account. That person came, third person came and asking you to no, do that, transfer this, no, nothing. Because you are honoring to the checks. And most importantly, you are observing this area. So These are the relationship between the bankers and the customers. The bankers which are always helping to the customer to get the profits from the customer. This is the lesson about the banking transactions. Thank you. Sai Ram.